So you want to open up an online store and are not sure which platform you want to go with. You got WordPress and WooCommerce, you got Magento, BigCommerce, Wix, and you got Shopify. Well, in this video, I'm about to show you exactly why I choose Shopify to be my #1 e-commerce store platform, why I choose to do a lot of my sales through Shopify, and why you should check them out and consider them as well. So at the end of this video, you are going to have a great understanding of why Shopify is going to be your best option for selling a product online. And I'm gonna be giving you a special little link that you can use to go create your Shopify account, which is gonna give you 2 weeks free to use the software, check it out, play around with it, and see if it's gonna be a good solution for your e-commerce store. I personally have done millions in sales using the Shopify platform due to the reasons and the features that Shopify offers, which I'm gonna be covering in this video. So stay tuned and keep watching this video. Before we jump into it, I want to invite you to join the Free Boss community by hitting the thumbs up button on this video if you like it and it brings you value. Hit the subscribe button if you're not yet subscribed, and the little bell icon right next to it to be notified every time that I post a new digital marketing video. And then leave a comment below if you have any questions at all. You can follow me on Instagram by searching the number 1 and then my name, Ian Smith. And then if you want to watch this video at 2x speeds, then I recommend it because I cover a lot of information in this video. And if you watch it at 2x speeds, you'll be able to fly all through it and soak it all in really fast. Lastly, I wanted to let you know about our done-for-you services. I run a digital marketing agency, and me and my team can help you scale your e-commerce business. We help a lot of businesses around the world with running Facebook and Instagram ads, running Google and YouTube ads, doing social media management. We build out Shopify websites as well as ClickFunnels websites. We build messenger bots and do a lot of email marketing, and then we do a lot of content creation like video, written, and photo. So if you're interested in working with us on a done-for-you services level, then head over to evolvemedia.agency and click the little Done For You Services button in the nav bar. So now let's go ahead and jump into the meat of this video where I cover Shopify and all things about it. All right, so I'm gonna start with the #1 thing that I love about Shopify, and it is the massive app selection that you have. You've got tons of these third-party apps that are free and are paid, and they're pretty cheap, but there are tons of apps that are gonna help you take your Shopify sales from here to here. Now, these are apps that are like upsell apps, my favorite being the One-Click Upsell by Zipify Pages. Then there's other things like FOMO, which is like this little pop-up in the bottom left corner showing that people are buying, that their sales volume. There are apps like Wheelio, which allow people to spin the wheel and are able to get their email address from them and deliver them a promo code. There's a ton of different apps that you can install in your website that are going to help you with building your website as well as increasing the conversion rate on all that traffic that your website is going to be getting. Another thing that I love about Shopify is their super fast page load times. Now, if you didn't know, all Shopify websites are hosted with Google Cloud Services, which means that you're not having to use a shared server like you would do with WordPress. You know, WordPress is free, but you have to pay for hosting, which means you have to go with a server, and then you're either going to be on a shared server with a lot of other websites, which means it's going to be slow page load times, or you're going to have to pay more for your hosting provider to have a dedicated server. But with Shopify, you get your hosting and you get pretty fast speeds with that hosting. And you want to have fast speeds because people are going to be browsing your website on things like this, a smartphone. And not all people these days have 4G LTE super fast internet or are on Wi-Fi. There are still a lot of people out there across the US and across the world that are on 3G or slower speeds, which means that if your page is loading pretty slow, it's going to be even more dramatic of a slow load time with slower internet speeds, slow Wi-Fi speeds, and 3G, things like that. So you want to have fast loading speeds, and you want to have pages that have small sizes, small images, and they load really fast because there's not much to actually load. Next, you have a ton of templates and themes to choose from. Now, there are a lot of free templates and there are a lot of paid templates, but the beauty is that there's a lot of both because Shopify is one of the most popular sales channels, sales platforms out there. So you got a lot of third-party people that actually are building these themes for the Shopify platform. Now, my personal favorite is the Shoptimized theme, and you can actually pay $197 for 3 sites. That means you can actually use that theme or that template for 3 different Shopify sites, all for $197. And if you compare that to the themes that you're gonna buy inside the actual Shopify store, I believe one theme in the Shopify store is like $197 or high 100s, but there are a lot of options out there to select a theme, and then you can easily tweak your theme, make it pretty nice with just some very basic knowledge on how to build websites. You don't even really need to do a bunch of custom coding. You can pretty much just tweak a theme or a template and have a pretty nice sales channel from there. Which leads me to my next point, is that Shopify is easy to customize. Now, I mentioned third-party apps, I mentioned templates. What I didn't mention is a little bit of both. So there is this app called Gem Pages. Gem Pages gives you this page builder. It's like drag and drop. You got different elements. You can easily resize the padding and stuff. You can literally easily build your home page, your product pages, your blog pages, your collections pages, pretty much every single part of your website. You can easily build it using Gem Pages, and it will look like a completely custom built site, because technically it is custom built, it's just not custom coded, right? So I think Gem Pages starts at like $19 a month, and then I think I have like the $29 a month plan, because it's like the middle of the road plan, gives you blog pages and all that kind of stuff. Don't quote me on it. Just if you install a Shopify site, then I would highly recommend that you look into the Gem Pages app to then install that and then start building your website using Gem Pages. Now, like I mentioned earlier in this video, I'm gonna be giving you a free link to give you 14 days free to use the Shopify software, play around with it, see if it's something for you. So here is that link. All you gotta do is go to bit.ly, that's bit.ly/Ian Shopify. That's my name, Ian Shopify. You can type that into your search bar, and then you can go sign up for your free Shopify account today. Also, that link is gonna be in the description of this video, so if you wanna just go there and click it, and then go sign up for your free Shopify account after this video. Next, I wanted to let you know about my free digital marketing course. So when you build your Shopify site, you're gonna need to drive traffic to it, you're gonna need to convert that traffic into customers, and that's where this free digital marketing course is gonna come into play. So in this free course, you're gonna get one Messenger bot template that's gonna allow people to shop your products inside Messenger. You're gonna get 2 templates for ClickFunnels, which ClickFunnels is more about trying to sell them 1 or 2 or 3 products, where Shopify is more about selling them 20 to 30 or more products. But you're gonna get 2 templates for ClickFunnels in this free course. You're gonna get a promo code to save 25% on all templates that we offer for Messenger bots. And then in this free course is a ton of video content teaching you how to run Facebook ads, how to build Messenger bots, how to write sales copy, all that kind of stuff, really how to grow a business and sell stuff online. So if you want to get access to this free digital marketing course, head over to freebosslifestyle.com after this video, after you sign up for your free Shopify account, and get access for that free course. All right, so jumping back to the reasons why I love Shopify so much, another one is all the different payment methods and payment gateways that they allow. Now, when you have multiple payment ways and payment options for people, that's gonna increase your chances of conversion, because a lot of people prefer to just only buy with PayPal, or if they're an avid Apple Pay user, then they wanna just use Apple Pay. So you wanna have all these different ways for them to check out. So with Shopify, you can do the regular credit card processing way. You can do PayPal, you can do Amazon Pay, Google Pay, you can do Apple Pay, and a whole lot more. But the reason why you want to have all of these different options for them, again, is it's going to increase your conversion rate, and it's going to make checking out for these customers a lot easier. So I highly recommend that you take advantage of these many different payment options. And while we're on the topic of payments and payment options, let's talk about the sales channels that Shopify also offers. So you can link in your Facebook sales channel, your Messenger, your Amazon, your eBay. You can link that with your Shopify site, so that if they're gonna buy from you and they're already on Facebook, they can easily check out on the Facebook platform or in the Messenger platform. Or if you sell your products on Amazon, you can easily have your Shopify site as a way to show them all your products and inform them on your products. And then when they click that buy now button, it immediately links them to your Amazon listing. Then you can even make that link smart, and you can put keywords in that link so that when they hit that buy now button, now you're ranking for keywords once they purchase that on Amazon. So it's pretty beautiful. I love Shopify and how it plays nice with all these other different platforms out there in the world. Next up, we got discount codes. It is so easy to create discount codes, pretty complex discount codes as well in Shopify. So you can do things like obviously buy one, get one free, or buy one, get 1% off, or just a flat rate, or you can do percentage off. You can do discounts on certain products or certain collections. You can have certain quantity limits, certain time frames, like this discount starts on the 4th and at 10 a.m. and then turns off on the 7th at 9:32 p.m. You can set all that up. It's pretty easy to do, and Shopify makes things easy for getting your conversions higher and getting more customers in the door. And once you get that customer in the door, the next step for you is order fulfillment, and that is another place where Shopify makes it super easy. So Shopify actually integrates and works well with UPS, with USPS, with FedEx. So literally when you're on the back end and you see an order come in and you want to fulfill that order, you can easily buy your actual shipping label all through Shopify, and it will then just bill your payment method on file with Shopify. It's so easy to just print a shipping label right there from your website, and then you just print it out, you slap it on your packaging, and then you go drop it off at whichever shipping company you're using. You can easily set up different shipping rates for different products. If they select different quantities, you can set that up. You can have it so that if they bought $50 worth of items, then they get free shipping or discounted shipping. I mean, there's a lot of different things that you can set up inside Shopify that makes fulfillment pretty dang easy. So as you start to get traffic and customers coming to your Shopify website, you're gonna need to be able to look at the data, and that's where analytics comes into play. Now, Shopify has some pretty good out-the-box analytics that are free of charge. It's just native in their platform. And that's things like average order value, where the traffic is coming from, what was the total sales in that day and that time frame and all that kind of stuff. So I really do love the analytics and the insights side of Shopify as well. Now, even though Shopify has some pretty good insights and analytics, I would also recommend that you get Google Analytics linked up with your Shopify site so that you can see that extra layer of analytics from your Shopify traffic. All right, so those are all the reasons that I have for you. Honestly, I could go on and on and on, but I'm not trying to make this video be an hour long. So I just wanna leave you with this, and it is the 14-day free trial to get Shopify. Sign up right now using the link below, or just type in the search bar bit.ly/IanShopify, and that's gonna give you 14 days free to mess around with the software, see if it's right for you, and then if you don't like it, just cancel it, or if you do like it, try it out for a couple months and see if you can generate some sales. But I guarantee you, because Shopify is one of the largest used sales channels and sales platforms out there, people are going to see the checkout process, and it's going to really help you with your conversion rates. I've used all the different sites out there, Wix, WordPress, BigCommerce, and it's not by choice. I didn't want to use those. I had to use those because my clients were using those sales platforms as their sales channels, and I really didn't like using it, and I got to know a lot of the platforms out there, and I found the downsides of a lot of those platforms. So it's really made me love Shopify a lot more. So I highly recommend to you, don't waste your time with a WordPress WooCommerce website. Just go get Shopify. I think the cheapest plan is like 29 bucks a month, and you're going to give your e-commerce store the best chance of survival and the best chance of it. It's like a bird, and you throw it up in the air and it flaps its wings and it takes flight, and it's so beautiful. Anyway, thank you so much for watching this video. Be sure to hit the thumbs up button below, leave a comment below. If you're not yet subscribed, consider subscribing, clicking that red button, tapping on the little bell as well, and I will catch you in the next one. Peace.